I'm 25 years old, and I have $0 saved. Not $100, not $500. Zero. While my friends are posting about their investment portfolios and retirement accounts, I'm starting from nothing. But here's the thing. I'm not panicking, because I have a plan. A realistic, step-by-step plan to hit $100,000 by the time I'm 30. 5 years, $100,000, starting from zero. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how I'm doing it. No inheritance, no crypto gamble, no get-rich-quick scheme. Just math, discipline, and a system that actually works. The reality check. Let's be honest about where I am right now. 25 years old, $0 in savings, $0 in investments. I have $8,000 in student loan debt. I make $52,000 a year at my job. After taxes, that's about $3,400 a month. My rent is $1,200. Car payment, $380. Student loan minimum payment, $120. Insurance, food, gas, phone bill. You know how it goes. By the time I pay for everything, there's maybe $400 left. And for the last 3 years, that $400 just disappeared. Eating out, weekend trips, random Amazon purchases. I wasn't being stupid with money. I just wasn't being intentional. But that ends today, because I did the math, and hitting $100,000 by 30 is possible. Not easy, but possible. The math breakdown. Here's how the numbers work. I need $100,000 in 5 years. That's 60 months. If I just saved cash, I'd need to save $1,667 per month. On my salary? Not happening. But I'm not just saving cash, I'm investing. If I invest $1,200 per month at an average 8% return for 5 years, I hit $88,000. Close, but not $100,000. So I need to do 3 things. First, increase how much I'm investing each month. Second, increase my income over the next 5 years. Third, stay consistent. No stopping, no excuses. Here's the actual plan. Year 1. Invest $1,000 per month. Total, $12,400 with returns. Year 2. Invest $1,200 per month. Total, $27,800. Year 3. Invest $1,400 per month. Total, $46,500. Year 4. Invest $1,600 per month. Total, $68,800. Year 5. Invest $1,800 per month. Total, $100,200. That's the roadmap. Year 1. The foundation. Year 1 is all about building the foundation. Right now, I'm investing $0. My goal for Year 1? Invest $1,000 every single month. That's $12,000 invested by the end of the year. With an 8% return, that becomes $12,400. But before I start investing, I need to handle 2 things. First, emergency fund. I'm building a $2,000 starter emergency fund first. Not $10,000, not 6 months of expenses, just $2,000 to cover basic emergencies. This takes me 2 months, saving $1,000 per month. Why? Because if I don't have this, the first time my car breaks down, I'm going into debt, and debt destroys this entire plan. Second, pay off high-interest debt. I don't have credit card debt, but if you do, kill it first. My student loans are 4.5% interest, so I'm just making minimum payments. Investing at 8% beats paying off 4.5% debt. Once I have my $2,000 emergency fund, I start investing $1,000 a month, every single month. Where the money comes from. You're probably thinking, how do you invest $1,000 a month on a $52,000 salary? Fair question. Here's where I'm finding the money. First, I cut my expenses by $600 per month. No more eating out 15 times a month. I'm cooking at home. No more $80 bar tabs every weekend. I'm drinking at home or not at all. No more random subscriptions I don't use. Canceled all of them. No more new clothes every month. I have enough clothes. That's $600 saved. Second, I'm making an extra $400 a month with a side hustle. I'm doing freelance graphic design on Fiverr and Upwork. 10 hours a week, $100 per week, $400 per month. $600 saved plus $400 earned equals $1,000 per month to invest. That's how I'm hitting year one's goal. Year 2 to 3, scaling up. Year 2, I'm increasing to $1,200 per month. How? 2 ways. First, I'm getting a raise. I'm asking for a $5,000 raise at my annual review. If I don't get it, I'm switching jobs. The fastest way to increase income is changing companies. A $5,000 raise is about $300 per month after taxes. Second, I'm scaling my side hustle from $400 to $600 per month. More clients, higher rates, same hours. That's an extra $200 per month. $300 from raise plus $200 from side hustle equals $500 per month increase. But I'm only increasing my investing by $200 per month. Why? Because I'm also increasing my emergency fund. By year 2, I want $5,000 in my emergency fund. The other $300 goes there until I hit that goal. Then it all goes to investing. By end of year 2, $27,800 invested. Year 3 is the same strategy. Another raise or job switch. Another $300 per month after taxes. Side hustle scales to $800 per month. That's another $200. Now I'm investing $1,400 per month. By end of year 3, $46,500 invested. I'm almost halfway to $100,000. Year 4 to 5, the acceleration. This is where compound interest starts doing heavy lifting. Year 4, I'm investing $1,600 per month. My income is now around $65,000 from raises and job changes. My side hustle is bringing in $1,000 per month. I'm making $77,000 total per year now. And my investments from years 1 to 3, they're growing too. That $12,400 from year 1 is now worth $16,800. That's an extra $4,400 I didn't have to work for. Compound interest. By end of year 4, $68,800 invested. Year 5 is the final push. I'm investing $1,800 per month. My salary is $70,000. Side hustle is $1,200 per month. Total income, $84,400 per year. And all my previous investments keep growing. By the end of year 5, $100,200. I hit the goal. The obstacles and how to handle them. Now, let's be real. This plan will not go perfectly. Here are the obstacles I'm expecting and how I'll handle them. Obstacle 1. I lose my job. Solution. That's why I have the emergency fund, and that's why I have a side hustle. If I lose my job, I stop investing temporarily, live off emergency fund, and go all in on finding a new job. Obstacle 2. Market crashes. Solution. I keep investing. Market crashes are the best time to buy. If the market drops 30%, I'm buying stocks on sale. I'm 25. I have time. Obstacle 3. Life happens. Car breaks, medical bill, family emergency. Solution. Emergency fund covers it. I might skip 1 month of investing, but I don't stop completely. I get back on track next month. Obstacle 4. I get tempted to spend. Solution. I automate everything. The $1,000 per month goes straight from my paycheck to my investment account. I never see it. I can't spend it. Obstacle 5. I don't get the raises I'm expecting. Solution. I switch jobs. Every 2 years if I have to. Loyalty doesn't pay. Job hopping does. If my company won't give me a raise, another company will. Where I'm investing. You're probably wondering, where is this money actually going? Here's my exact investment strategy. 100% going into index funds, specifically VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and VTI, Total Stock Market. 80% VOO, 20% VTI. Why not individual stocks? Because I don't have time to research companies. Why not crypto? Too volatile for this goal. Why not real estate? I don't have $50,000 for a down payment yet. Index funds are simple, proven, and they average 10% returns over the long term. I'm using 8% in my calculations to be conservative. I'm investing through my 401k first, up to company match. That's free money. Then my Roth IRA, maxing it at $7,000 per year. Then my regular brokerage account for everything else. Why Roth IRA? Because I'm in a low tax bracket now. I pay taxes now at 22%, and in retirement, I pay 0%. When I'm making $200,000 in my 40s, I'll switch to traditional 401k. But right now, Roth is the move. The mindset shift. Here's what I realized. Hitting $100,000 by 30 isn't really about the money. It's about who I have to become to hit that goal. I have to become someone who says no to things my friends say yes to, works 50 hours a week while they work 40, invests while they spend, plans while they wing it. The money is just the scoreboard. The real win is the discipline, the focus, the delayed gratification. Because here's the truth. If I can hit $100,000 by 30, I can hit $500,000 by 40, and $1 million by 50. The first $100,000 is the hardest. After that, compound interest does most of the work. But you have to build the foundation first. Why this matters. Look, I know some of you are thinking, why does $100,000 even matter? Here's why. $100,000 is freedom. It's, I don't have to take a job I hate money. It's, I can take a risk on a business money. It's, I can handle an emergency without panicking money. It's the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and having options. Most people never build wealth because they never start. They wait for the perfect time. They wait until they make more money. They wait until they pay off all their debt. They wait until they figure it out. But the perfect time never comes. I'm 25 with $0 saved. This is not the perfect time, but it's my time. And 5 years from now, I'll have $100,000. Not because I got lucky, because I started. So that's the plan. 5 years, $100,000, starting from zero. Year 1, $1,000 per month. Build foundation. Year 2, $1,200 per month. Scale income. Year 3, $1,400 per month. Stay consistent. Year 4, $1,600 per month. Compound interest kicks in. Year 5, $1,800 per month. Hit the goal. Is it going to be easy? No. Is it going to be worth it? Absolutely. If you're in your 20s and you're starting from zero, this is your roadmap. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button. Because at Wealth Context, we're showing you how to build real wealth. No fluff, no BS, just the actual plan. See you in the next one.